Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. I am also doing great. Today I again came back in front of you to speak in English because speaking English is very important for us. Without speaking, if you want to learn English, if you want to learn any kind of language, you have to practice more and more because practice makes even progress. So that's why I again came in front of you. Right now I am in my room, so that's why I opened my camera, then I started my speaking in front of camera. Okay, right now I am smelling something because in out of my room there are one kitchen room, my one friend he cooking, that's why his curry is smelling is spreading around the room. So right now I am in my room, that's why I'm practicing. Right now I will share with you how important is speaking English and how important practice regularly. Okay, if you are a student and if you are a learner, if you are a beginner student, you have to practice more and more. Okay, firstly you have to start with learning tense, because learning tense, you will be able to make sentence by learning tense, which is very important. And day by day, whenever you can understand that you completely done the learning tense, then you can easily translate lots of sentence and you can deliver lots of sentence. Okay, you will make easily some sentence. Okay, and then you have to read some article and some uh, big articles, which is very important. Reading also very important for learning English. Okay, and also you have to listen more and more. Without listening, no one will not be able to fluent speaker, because by listening everyone can understand the native speakers pronunciation, because their accent is very important, because accent makes our language is very melodious. Okay, so you have to practice more and more in this way. And also you have to practice maximum 5 minutes in front of camera, and also with your friends you can do it. Okay, and I will do it with my friends, with my members. Okay, and also you have to practice writing, because you have, if you want to fluent speaker, you have to make a skill in the foresight. Okay, reading, listening, speaking and writing. Okay, four things you have to learn. Okay, every day I do it to be a fluent, to be a good skill in English. Okay, so you can also try your best to be a fluent speaker. And what kind of language you want to learn is no matter, just matter is practice. Okay, and 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 also you can start making videos in front of everyone, in front of going to outside. Okay, and whenever some people see you that you are making videos, your all shyness will be diminished. Okay, your all shyness will be rubble. So be patient to be a fluent speaker. I am also very patient to be fluent speaker. Every day we have to practice more and more. Okay, and also, oh, I forgotten to talk this about vocabulary. You have to learn some vocabulary daily, 5 word. Okay, which is very important. Without vocabulary you cannot explain yourself properly, you cannot deliver your speech. Okay, you can learn in this way is learn one vocabulary and try to make sentence by this vocabulary. Okay,